what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Loud at KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna give you the entire breakdown of this whole QQQ trade that I took on Wednesday. So free juice is literally just. I mean, I just love this stuff. Like I'm about to just keep doing free videos like this because really, you still have to apply. I can give you all the answers. You still have to apply. So we see back here, right? Previous highs. This is a strong resistance up here, right? So I have this area there of resistance, and then we come to today and we approach it, right? We approach this area. So I see that pre-market levels on QQQ came up here and rejected hard, right? It came all the way back down. So then as this is approaching, I see it kind of dying out right here. And we have this order block here, but previous resistance is still, this is a good resistance. So what I do is I go from this resistance, right? And I try to get as close as I can to enter it. So like I started taking entries right here. So I go all the way up is a stop loss, right? And this is still only an 80-cent stop loss. So it's not even a 1 to 3 and a half. It's a point 80 to 3, right? Like that's a great risk reward. It's a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So this is like a great, probably high probability setup. And then, slightly overbought and I just major resistance. So sure enough, we get this huge, strong push down. And then we get that retest, right? So let's say you didn't see this and you're like, I want to wait for more confirmation because like I was adding as it was green, right? And then I got that drop. So if you're brand new to it and you're like, well, the first time using my real money, let me just wait for confirmation that it wants to go down. Boom, confirmation. So then you could set your entry here, excuse me, and then stop loss above that order block, right? So it should be like we just had it. This would be 0.78. If you want to be safe, just go to the equal lows. Like don't go all the way down. I go for all liquidity. I think if it's coming down, it's gonna grab all of this. So yeah, so that's why I went that far down and caught that. But that's even being safe. Like this is just a great setup. Just break, retest, go all the way back down. And then today, for example, right, we come out below, but we break above this key level. So as soon as we broke above, we came right back into the sell zone. We stayed. I mean, we rejected it the whole day, but rejected, and then this right here is a good risk to reward, right? So we get this bullish move up, and then we got this nice little gap right there. So you can start entry there. Boom, 0.36 stop loss. Like you go like this. So that's why I'm like going over here to show you like from this gap right here, and you come over because this is where price came down to. So make it even with this whole gap. Boom, and then your TP is gonna be. I mean, I sold early, but TP would be right here. Just because this is another sell zone, and you're taking it up. So, boom, you come down, you get your tap. I entered on this wick, and then I added again right here, right? And then we took it up, and then we just waited, boom, straight through. So that's like great ways to enter these trades. This is like one model that works. So yeah, also real quick, I want you to know like as this is happening, like as this is coming down, I see it. I'm like, all right, cool. I'm about to get my entry here soon. So I type it out, say it to the chat, and I literally sit here with my phone and I just wait. I just watch it. And I got my order ready to buy, And then I wait for this, this right here. Like you'll see it the more you watch it. Like if you could catch the market for your entries on that quick wick, that's when you get it. That's when a lot of people stop out. But that's prime entry. And then you could get confirmation of your trade and add if you wanted to. Like if you didn't go full size that first time. But 9 times out of 10, it'll it'll be slow and then it'll just go just grab it like that. That's why I entered. I entered on this one down here. I was like, that's it. And look at that. It was. And never did I go negative. Gorgeous. So if you want to do it, also let's see if the orb played about oh what I move whatever 5 minute orb. Probably would have failed you this day, but orb. That ORB be smacking, bro. Like some days, obviously it's hard to see, um, but like days like this, beautiful. Pop on your little 8 and 21. I like 21 for pullbacks because 21 be having some good bounce points. But a break and close below the 8 in between 21, that's like sketch territory, in my opinion. How it did right here. Boom, broken closed, and then use it as resistance. This shit's fun, guys. Like, come on, get into it, baby. Let's go. So that's all that happened, right? That was the breakdown of the trades, and we do this every day live. Share my screen and everything. KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. It's your boy Mike Lowy.